Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be decluttering my phone with you guys, and you would never believe how much my phone has gotten out of hand with this organization, and my photos are just with random screenshots, random pictures. I definitely need to clear out my phone, not even just for storage, but just for the sake of knowing that my phone is organized and back in place. Also, you guys seem to like my what's on my iPhone videos. I will leave all of my previous ones down below, but I will say that my phone has switched up just with the order of the apps a little bit from the last time I filmed the what's on my iPhone. I'm not going to do an updated one just because it is the same apps, the same everything, but just in different places. Also, I just got the new iOS 14 update, which I don't know if I was supposed to or not. I know lots of people said it made your phone glitchy. I did, just because I was really curious what it was about. I've seen some TikToks on what it could possibly look like, and it seemed really cool, so I finally got that downloaded this morning. This is also going to be exploring the new iOS 14 updates. I have not looked at anything yet, but when I opened my phone, the first thing my eye gravitated towards was the iTunes logo, and it used to be a really pretty white and purple, pink, and now it's just red. To me, I like the old one better, but we'll see what else changed. So I'm going to start screen recording and put that on the screen over here. Alright, so opening my phone, here are all of my apps, and the first thing I noticed on this page is this little translate thing up in the top left. Welcome to translate. Have conversations easily with live translation. Download languages to translate entirely on your device. I think I'm probably going to delete that because I don't ever need to translate anything. But that would be great if you needed to. In my old what's on my iPhone video, I had all of my apps categorized in folders by social medias, games, and I actually took everything out of the folders because it was starting to get annoying. After a while of having your apps a certain way, I just change on my phone, so I do that every so often. And the first thing I'm going to go through is the first page. So I'm going to first clear out my call logs. Okay, so we're going to hello? Did I not just delete all? FaceTime is cleared. We're going to do my phone, which is literally just a bunch of my family. That's literally all I call you guys. And whenever I clear out my phone, I do this maybe once a week, a couple times a month. So whenever I clear out my phone, whenever I'm going through the actual phone app, I always like to put it on the keypad and then swipe out of it, so when I go into it, it's fresh to make a call, you know. My contacts are cleared out for the most part. I literally just have that many contacts. I really don't need to be calling or texting that many people. Then going through my photos, this is going to be the most hefty part of this video, let me tell you. Literally, oh my gosh, you guys, I like to clear out all these folders. I hate that apps make folders for you. Yeah, it's convenient if you want everything organized like that, but I don't, so I wish that was a setting. First, going through photos, I literally take live photos all the time on FaceTime with my boyfriend. Also, I take pictures randomly. I'll be walking with my phone in my hand, and the camera app will open, and I'll just be taking pictures of random things. That happens to me all the time. I call random people, I text random things. I'm gonna delete all these just because all of these are saved from Snapchat, so they're in my Snapchat memories, so when I save them they go to my camera automatically, but I'm gonna delete them from here. My thumbnails, all my pictures that I take of when I post stuff on Poshmark. Oh my god, here are all the videos still saved from that one storytime video. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. It was literally a storytime with an old man trying to take pictures of me. And I also got hate on that video too. People were like, oh, maybe he was just trying to flatter you. Girl, if you're flattered by an old man taking pictures of you, do you, but that's not me. I recently did it and literally just delete everything. 708 things we ended up getting rid of, you guys. My mail, oh my god, my mail, that's a whole different story. I'm literally not even gonna go through that. It's literally gonna take me years. So that's the one thing I never go through when I go through my phone. I haven't noticed any drastic changes so far. I do see that the calendar and the clock, the clock's hands are a little bit thicker than they used to be, and the calendar is a different font, but nothing too crazy here. Alright, so when I open it up, it tells you what's new in the app, what updated. So see speed cameras and red light cameras along your route. Oh my god, that is a really helpful, that's like the most helpful thing ever. Alright, well thanks. Cleared out all of my recently visited places. For notes, what's new? Search for text, handwriting, or text and scans, PDFs, or URLs. I only have 26 notes. I know that's not a lot. In my weather app, all I have is like places that I visit a lot. So like Ocean City. That's new. Next hour precipitation is new. I'm pretty sure like I've never seen that before. Florida, California. We're just gonna leave that. What else? Voice memos. Your recordings everywhere. In voice memos, the only thing like useful that's new to me is that it automatically reduces background noise and echo from your recordings with a single tap. That seems good. I only have 4 voice recordings and they're all from church. My calculator, I always just go in and play my calculator because why not? Next for messages, I always like to delete group chats. I don't know why. I just don't like having them on my phone. They make it really hard when I'm trying to find someone to text and I have to like search through all these group chats. And also, like, if I'm trying to text someone and I see their name and I click on it, like, and I just want to text them, I might accidentally end up sending a text to the group chat instead. So, yeah, just delete all those. All my messages are fine. I always delete spam numbers whenever they come up. Like, literally the second I get the notification of, like, a spam number or a verification code, I delete them immediately. iTunes. What's new in Apple Music? Keep similar music playing after an album or playlist ends. Ooh, I do like the layout of everything at the bottom, like how the bottom bar is customized. I really like that. Ooh, I really love this. By the search, you can browse categories, and it's not just like your recently searched, you know, how it used to be. It's actually categorized, which that's really good. I like that. I'm not gonna clear out anything on my Instagram. There's really nothing to clear out. But if you guys want to follow my socials, they will be on the screen. I mainly do post on my Snapchat though, like I'm always on Snapchat, posting on my story. We can maybe try organizing my apps itself because it did not look like this a couple days ago. So, okay, so Rome, we can go with the shopping apps. Facebook, TikTok, and Cameo, that can all stay together. My bank, Cash App, and PayPal is together. Okay, good. The next page of my apps are all of my like food and stuff. As you could tell, she eats out a lot. I do have Visco, Lightroom, Facetune, like all those on this page as well. 1, because they don't fit over here, and 2, they're not really like a social media for me. Like Visco is technically a social, but I don't use it that way. I literally only use it for the filters and to edit my photos. iMovie, Canva, Eraser, and Camera Connect, all on the bottom row, are what I use for YouTube. So if I have a video to edit on my phone, Canva is for my thumbnails, Eraser is to make PNG images, and also Camera Connect is to get images from my camera on my phone. This is new. This is after you swipe on your last page, it makes another page for you, which basically categorizes your apps. So all of its suggestions, which is like the ones you were on the most, those are not the apps I use the most, but obviously those are the ones that I was just in because I was clearing them out. So obviously once I start actually using my phone how I would normally use it, that would be personalized to like things that I use the most. I have recently added, so my newest apps, socials. Ooh, that's great. This was one of the sneak peeks that I saw on a TikTok video, and that was another reason why I wanted to take all of my things out of my folders, because everything is categorized in this page anyways. That's a great category. Like all of my like YouTube and like editing stuff, that's really nice. This is great. I love this page. Like this is the most useful thing. I'm trying to think of what else I saw. Something with this. Oh, I love this up here, like where you can scroll through. Okay, I'm gonna take out this little like screen time thing. As you can see, I've been on that game 31 minutes. Oh my god. I mean, if I had like streaks and everything on Snapchat still, like Snapchat would be really cool to add, but I personally only go on there to post stories, so like I'm not gonna add anything. Like this is fine the way it is, and I don't want to clutter it. I'm gonna clear out all of our notifications. What else can I clear? I feel like that's like all I really do. The main things I do when I clear my phone are go through my photos, delete like spam messages, and like go through my notes and phone call log. That's like literally it. I'm gonna look up what's new on iOS 14 just so I can like know, so I don't miss anything in this video. Why do her apps look like that? Why can I get my apps to look like that? I'm gonna put my weather out because my weather I look at every single day. The maps and the compass is something that goes together. Mail and notes, I guess. I love how my weather like widget is on the front page. I feel like that's so convenient. I could see the high and the low, like the condition right now, the temperature. I'm gonna find a really cute photo to make my lock screen and my home screen just because I want to change it up a bit. I think I'm gonna actually change it to this picture. I really like this picture. So yeah, we're gonna do this one for my home screen. Aw, I really like that. So yeah, that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below other things that I could possibly do to clean up my phone even more. Maybe something that you do that I haven't done in today's video to organize a bit better. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.